Sometimes people ask you, when is your birthday? But you might ask yourself a more interesting question. Before that day, where was I?
I'm the kind of a person I wish I could stay forever young.
Yeah, tongue and groove, it will just slide itself through.
Because I still would have a lot to do.
You haven't made it to the stream yet. Just around the corner.
You can make up the future. If you can't see it, make it up and believe in it. Why not?
If you ask a cloud, how old are you? You can listen deeply and you may hear a reply.
I told everyone that I had another life. I remember people saying, well, it must have been a dream. I was adamant that it wasn't.
It reminds me of the subconscious somehow.
Så Unterbewusstsein.
Yeah.
Ja, gell? Eine Zwischenwelt.
And here I am. I'm much better, but not quite myself. Hopefully it all will go by and it will be in the past and I will kick my heels again and go dancing somewhere.